Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your microphone volume is too low on Discord. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Discord application, click on the user settings in the bottom left-hand side, and then we're going to scroll down and select voice and video. Now in the input device, you just want to make sure you have your microphone selected. So mine is this Yeti microphone over here. Now for the output device, this is where you want to select your speakers or headphones. This is different from your microphone. And then next to the input volume, make sure this is turned up to full like so, and also make sure the output volume is turned up as well. Now you can press this let's check button to test the volume of your microphone. Now if you are still having issues and everything's turned up, you can come down to input sensitivity and we can actually just disable this feature like so, and then once again you can check to see if that has solved your issue. Now if it's not working, what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for sound settings, and then click on the sound settings window. Now from here, just scroll down to output and make sure you have your speakers or headphones selected for your output device. Then we're going to scroll down to input, and this is where you want to make sure your microphone selected, and once again make sure this volume slider here is also turned up to full. Then we're just going to scroll down to the bottom and click on more sound settings, click on the recording tab, and then what you need to do is make sure your microphone is enabled here and set to the default device. Now any microphones that you're not using, like this microphone array and all of these others, we need to right click on these and select disable to disable them from conflicting with our microphone. Now once you've done that, right click on your microphone and click on properties, select levels, and once again make sure this slider here is turned up to full. Then you can click on the advanced tab, and next to this drop down, make sure you have the highest number of hertz set. So for my microphone, that's going to be 48,000 hertz, and then press apply and OK, and apply and OK. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed any low volume on your microphone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.